So hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel your Houzz Pro subscription in Houzz app on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So as I have already said, in short, Houzz is an app for home design inspiration, finding professionals like contractors and designers, shopping for furniture and decor, and planning home improvement projects. It helps you visualize, collaborate, and execute your home design ideas. So, and if you have bought any kind of subscription for better exploration, you need, but later you want to just cancel your subscription pro, then you need to just, if you have from the website, if you want to cancel your subscription from Houzz website, you need to simply log into your Houzz Pro account on website, and after that you need to click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account settings, and after that you need to just navigate to the billing section and find the option to cancel your subscription and follow the prompts to cancel the subscription. So if you have done, you need to follow these steps if you are canceling your subscription from website. If you are canceling it from your mobile phone or device, you need to just open the Houzz Pro app and log in to your account. So as I've already opened my Houzz app and log in, and after that you need to go to your account settings, like you need to just visit to your settings and you need to just tap on your profile icon, your name, and there you can see the option like subscription. You need to just click on the subscription, and if you have taken any kind of subscription for any kind of platforms, there will be available, but as I have not taken any kind of subscription, there is not any subscription available in my device. So if you have taken subscription, then you look for subscription settings or billing option, and after that you need to just follow the instruction to cancel it. So if you are unable to cancel via the app or website, you can also contact Houzz Pro support directly by emailing in their email, like the email is like support@houzz.com, or calling the support line for assistance. So that's how you can just cancel your subscription from your Houzz app on a device. So that's very easy to follow these steps. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.